Thank you for attending day one of the 2-day grant readiness workshop presented by the Winners Club. You are receiving this video recording if you did not complete the sam.gov registration. We're going to walk through the process of registering you in sam.gov so that you are able to collect your UEI number, which is required for the GATA portal registration. So we're going to start by logging into sam.gov, which is sam.gov/SAM. Once you log into sam.gov, once you put that in the browser, it's going to take you to the login page. If you have already created an account, then you will be able to go ahead and hit sign in the top right-hand corner, which you can see has the red circle around it. If you were not able to create a login, then you're going to hit get started. Once you hit get started, it's going to take you to this login page. You are going to create an account if you do not have an account. If you do have an account, then you'll be able to go ahead and hit sign in. Once you have signed in to sam.gov officially, it's going to take you back here to the home page. What you need to do is hit get started. Once you've logged in and you get to the home page, again, you're going to hit get started. Once you hit get started, it's going to take you to this welcome page to create a new entity. So you will go ahead and select create new entity. Then it's going to take you here to what is your goal. You are going to select the second option, which is to do business with other organization which receives funds directly from the federal government. Once you input that information in and you hit next, it's going to take you to this screen. You will then select the fourth option down, which is that you are a grantee. So option 1, 2, 3, 4, you are applying as a grantee, and then you will hit next. The next question is going to ask who required your entity to be in sam.gov. You'll go ahead and put the second bubble, which is the U.S., a state in the U.S. territory, government, or office. And then you will also put the state of Illinois in that drop-down bucket. Now, as you saw in class, they don't require you to put the state of Illinois. You can just bypass that and hit next. So you can either put the state of Illinois in the drop down or you can hit next. Once you hit next, it's going to take you to this page here. You're going to hit select. Once you hit select, you will get to this page, which you are entering your entity's information. Now, this is where we talked about you have to use your legal business name, which is the same way that you wrote your business name on your IRS paperwork for your tax ID number. The tax ID number is also called an EIN number. It's also called a FEIN number. It's all the same paperwork, same number. That paperwork, the way that you wrote your name of your business is your legal business name that should go into this box. You'll also put your physical address for your business. It's important, again, that you are putting the same address that was put into that paperwork because that is the system they're going to verify this information through. So if it's not the same, if it's not exactly the same, it might not find your business's entity and it's going to make you submit documentation and other things to prove that you own this business. So once you put this information in, you'll go ahead and hit next. And then you'll kind of see a screen that looks like this here. And from there, once you get through those sections and you're really just hitting next, you're going to come to the page where it gives you your UEI or your tax ID number. I'm sorry, your UER or your sam.gov number, which is the unique entity identifier, and it will look like this.